New York Times bestselling author Simon Sinek says people don't buy what you do, they buy why you do it. So how are you getting that emotional connection with your customers? We're guessing you have written testimonials on your website and social media. Those are great, but to create the real emotional appeal of your brand, nothing does it better than clients on video talking about your company. At Perlow Productions, we practice what we preach, using video testimonials to show why clients work with us.
Absolutely professional, so easy to work with. Their creativity knocks it out of the park.
Studies show that 4 times as many customers prefer to watch a video than read about a product. We'll shoot your client testimonial interviews at your location, your client's location, or in our studio. Contact Perlow Productions today to learn more and begin telling your story through the power of video testimonials.